Sis, you ain't even got to say it. I already know these fingers looking real crusty right now, but trust and believe they are about to glow up, so stay tuned, sweetie. So you are going to need a couple of things to get your nails going. You're going to need a nail file. I have two here that I'm showing you. You're also going to need like a little brush. You're going to need I guess this is a cuticle pusher. It pushes your cuticles back. A little bowl to put your acrylic liquid in, and of course acrylic liquid. And you're also going to need regular acrylic powder, not the dip powder or any of the other kind, just regular good old fashioned acrylic powder, girl. And you're also going to need your press-on nails. And these are the Gel Fantasy Kiss nails. These are such a pretty blue, you guys. It reminds me of Tiffany blue. I feel like I need to be at breakfast at Tiffany's. Hey! And of course, Aladdin has to make his debut. Now you're also going to need some alcohol. The bottle that I was using, it is the 50% alcohol. But I would definitely suggest getting either the 90% or 100% because the higher the alcohol content, the more oil that it will take out of your fingernails. You just want to put it on a cotton ball because we're going to need to get rid of all of those natural oils in our fingernails. So that way the acrylic can adhere to our nails as well as the press-ons when we get ready to put them on. Here I am. I just wanted to clean under my nails, do a little nail care before we get ready to add our press-ons. And here I'm just measuring out each fingernail to see which one would fit best on my fingers. And then we're going to, after getting the nails that you need for all 10 fingers, we're just going to go in with the cuticle pusher and start pushing back our fingernails. Now listen, hunty, I am not a licensed nail specialist, technician, or whatever you want to call it. I'm just a girl who's trying to look fly during this quarantine, okay? So for all you professionals out there, please do not come for me talking about that's not how you use a nail pusher. It's how we're using it today. Thank you. You just want to make sure that you push those back as well as you can, without hurting yourselves. Show some of that new growth. And so this is where you want to take your nail file. Now what I am doing is I've watched quite a bit of videos, you guys, to figure out how to do this. And the main thing that a lot of them were saying was don't file your nails back and forth. You want to file them in the same direction. So that is what I am doing here. I'm just filing them in the same direction. If it looks like I'm going back and forth, I'm not. I'm literally going in one direction, picking the file up, and then going in that same direction again. So you just kind of want to file up your nails on the whole nail bed because you want to make a couple of little ridges, so to speak. So that way it'll give the acrylic something more cohesive to adhere to, and that way it'll stay longer, because baby girl, don't nobody got time to be doing this every week. No, I need you to stay on like how you do at the nail salon, okay? And now I'm just taking my little drill. I got this drill actually from Walmart. It was in some kind of little manicure set for like 10 bucks. If I can find it on their website, I will link it in the description box below. But it's just like a really simple little drill thing. And it came with 5 little heads that you could change out. And so I'm taking one of those little drill bits and I'm just basically drilling on the back of the press-ons, because you also want to, same as your fingernails, you kind of want to create some ridges to give the acrylic a more cohesive bond to the press-on. And I'm just zooming in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. I'm sorry if it seems a little bit fuzzy, you guys. I was working with a new camera, and we were on a learning curve, okay, girl? We were on a learning curve, and I thought I was in focus. The camera was like, girl, nah, try again. And so this is what we got, but my nails still came out really cute, and I feel like for the most part you guys can get the gist, so we just gonna keep it trucking, okay? Oh my goodness, if you guys hear like booming sounds or something, it's people in my area shooting fireworks. Like, they have been going crazy, y'all. By the way, happy Juneteenth, because it's not just a day, it's a whole month, baby. It's a whole revolution. So please be up on game. But everybody, since pretty much like Juneteenth, has been firing fireworks like crazy. They got Aladdin barking like crazy because he like, what is going on? I'm like, calm down, bruh. And now we are ready for the application. So what you basically want to do is you just want to pour a little bit of your acrylic liquid into whatever holder or dish that you're going to pour it into. I just used a little tea light candle holder that I had. And you want to kind of, just like how you see them do at the nail salon, you want to brush off the sides of the brush so it doesn't have too much liquid. And you're going to dip it, just kind of get like a round little ball in the acrylic powder that you're going to set on your nail, as you can see here. And then, baby girl, you're just going to put your press on. That's it. Simple, easy peasy. Now, I normally hold each of my fingernails down for about 15-20 seconds just to make sure that it adheres properly and that it's, pretty secure and stable. And then I also, as you're pressing it down or before you press it down, you also want to make sure that you have it straightened out. And then I do just take like the cuticle pusher and scrape off any excess acrylic that smushed out from under my fingernail. Now, something that I didn't do, so you can learn from my mistake here, I forgot to go underneath my nail, like if you turn your hand upward and go on the bottom of your fingernail, because sometimes the acrylic will push out that way as well. It is best to do that as you're going through each nail, pretty much, because if you wait until you finish all 5 of your fingernails, then the first one that you started on, the acrylic will have hardened, and it's going to be a whole lot tougher to try and get that little ball of acrylic from underneath your fingernail. So I would suggest doing it as you go, just making sure that you've gotten any excess acrylic removed from your finger. I just wanted to zoom in a little bit closer so you guys could see. So again, here it's pretty much the same steps. You're just going to dip your brush in your acrylic liquid, wipe off any excess on the sides, dip it into your acrylic powder to get, kind of a small dot to fit your finger. And then you're going to place it on your finger, of course, and Then you're just gonna apply your press-on nail and hold it down for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now, sweetie, if you have not clicked that subscribe button yet, what are you doing with life? Go ahead and join the glow up, and please like and share with your friends, because a good friend wants their friends to glow up. Say it with me. Good friends want their friends to glow up. Okay?
We've been talking for an hour, we just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again.
All right, you guys, so here I have finished both of my hands, but on these particular set of nails, they did have a little kind of like knot. I know you can't see it because the footage is a little fuzzy, but it was like a little knot that you could feel on the tips of the nails. And so I just took my other nail file and filed those flat so I'd have a nice, clean, smooth finish.
We keep holding on for nothing. We both know we pretend we should go, but we keep trying.
And here is the finished product, you guys. I am so in love with my nails. They came out so cute. Baby, like, you know, I might have to start a little side hustle, a little something, okay? If you guys do try out this method, leave some comments below and let me know how it worked out. And if you want to see more content like this video, girl, so I can know. Only way I'm gonna know is if you tell me. Until next time, bye, Glow fam.